Welcome to our health series, and basically I'm going to break down a few things as we go along. But before we get into that, let's kind of go over a few things. Nutrition, diet, steps for steps, and everything that comes into achieving an alkaline diet or alkaline lifestyle. Who Cooked 242, they came over and they sampled a few of our dishes, which is a plant-based diet. I'm guessing this is their first time that they're doing this, so it kind of took them by surprise that they were meat replacement that tastes just like what they're used to. For example, our dry fruit tuna, which replaces the tuna, or our dry fruit jerk, which also replaces like jerk pork or jerk beef, if you might say. Sauteed mushrooms, which replaces like steamed sausages or steamed chicken, based on how you look at it. And a wide variety of different plant-based foods that we have here, right? So here are a few clips of Who Cooked 242. They came in, they tried the food, they gave their remarks and their reviews, and basically it came from Instagram. A few persons were asking, or I think they were asking, exactly where could you find healthy foods, and we were on top of their list. We're honored, we're pleased, thank you very much, and we'll always be here to serve. Let's get into the clip. Oh, and before we do that, I'm Julio's voice. Welcome to Health Me.
Hi everyone, my name is Janisha. I'm here from Who Cooked 242 at Essentially Alkaline, and I'm gonna try out some vegan food options. I've never tried vegan food before, but you guys let me know that this is the place to go for healthy food in Nassau yesterday on social media, so I'm here to try it out.
So first off, we're going to start you off with the tuna.
Okay.
These with our vegan meal. We make that here ourselves. We just add lemon, onion, peppers, and some lemon.
Okay, thank you.
So
we're not imitating tuna. We call it the tuna.
It's good.
does it taste like tuna?
The texture wise, yeah.
Awesome.
It does taste kind of like tuna.
So a lot of persons have been asking, what is jackfruit? So jackfruit is like a meat replacement. It's protein based. It is found in mainly Asian countries, India, Jamaica, Trinidadians. They use it to replace beef and pork, and it could be grilled, it could be used as shredded meat, it could be used as shredded tuna, it could be jerked or baked, whichever you prefer. Some person put it on a sandwich as well. And what we're doing here is a flair of Bahamian food. Bahamian is like tuna salad, it's a breakfast meal. But we serve breakfast all day, we serve food all day. So the tuna, which is our tuna replacement, is prepared just like tuna, but the difference is we add our aquafaba, which is the chickpea meal, as the base, because we don't use dairy products. So that's the tuna.
So next here we have our spice box. It's our chickpea and curry. We make our own curry powder here as well. So,
Awesome. Oh, this is good.
so basically everything is made here from scratch.
This is really good.
People like curry.
We
Everyone
do
likes
love our
curry.
curry.
You do it with the kamut, which is a grits replacement.
Oh, okay.
It could be served with wild rice, quinoa, pasta, or a side of vegetables. All right.
This is how the jackfruit actually looks. We actually mix it up in this and we just add some barbecue sauce on it.
Okay. What's that? Sorry.
Barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce?
Yeah, we make this here ourselves.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. Yeah, I'm still working on the curry.
That one is like really better, but it's seasoned and it's tasted it.
This is good. This is good. That barbecue sauce is really good. I don't even like barbecue sauce.
These
But-
are not kind of tomato sauce. We just add some agave inside of it, spice it up.
That is good, thank you.
You have the steamed jackfruit. So it's like a corned beef replacement.
You said it's a corned beef replacement.
It's spicy.
That is good. It kind of tastes like mackerel in a way, like steamed mackerel. This is really good.
So you try to season all of the food to get the same exact taste of the
Traditional
regular.
dishes.
Yeah, so you wouldn't be missing anything.
Yeah, that's awesome. That is awesome. I've never tried any of this before, so I'm excited. You guys will be seeing more of me around here.
Okay, now this one is our smothered mushrooms.
Okay.
This is just mushrooms, onion pepper, and tomato sauce.
Thank you. I love mushrooms, so I knew before you even finished, I knew that I would like this.
We also have to saute mushrooms. Like if you don't want it in the tomato sauce, you do it in coconut amino. Then we add a bit of thyme, onion powder, salt, get some onion and pepper.
Awesome.
Now, next try is our hummus. This is made of chickpeas.
Okay.
Just blended. We make our own chips to go with it as well.
Oh, nice.
Yes, we make it from sprout flour.
Okay. This is good. I don't want you to think that I keep saying that it really is good.
So what are you trying right now?
I am trying the hummus.
Okay. Well, this is our twist on hummus. You can explain that. So a lot of persons know hummus is just chickpea. This is our twist on hummus. It's like a Caribbean kind of thing where we add again green peppers, onions.
I taste the lime.
Lemon is in there, right, and some other stuff.
Coconut oil and sesame seed as well. Yeah, that is there. Some cayenne, onion powder, salt.
This is great. So you guys all vegans?
Well, most of us. I don't. She's trying to be a vegan.
You getting there?
He's trying to be a vegan, and this gentleman over here has been a vegan probably longer than anybody else.
25 years plus.
25 years. Sherman has been a vegan for 25 years. And that's the trendsetter for basically how your lifestyle is supposed to be. Yes. Pretty much all of the plant-based meats that we have here.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for
It's a
letting
pleasure.
me try them.
The food itself.
Yeah.
And then you give her the sample of the key lime slush so she can give it a try.
Yeah, please. A vegan tuna and grits.
Yeah.
Y'all after my heart. I could eat tuna and grits every day. Thank you. So what is it made from?
Kamut. You can grab on the kamut and show it to her. It's made from kamut, and basically the kamut itself is a organic grain, and it's like 1-to-1 with tuna and grits, so you can't even tell that you're missing either or of any of
Yeah, this is literally tuna and
tuna and grits. Yeah,
This
and you
is
can add your own spice to it. Normally, I'll add a bit of hummus to it. I'll add some jalapenos for pepper. Yeah, that's the kamut.
So how do you cook it? Like
Just like grits.
Just like grits?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Just use the coconut oil as the base. And we have sea salt or pink salt, Himalayan salt.
Okay.
And you can use, well, we don't have it out here now. Oh, we do. It's right here. You could add the butternut squash cheese to it as a flavored base.
You
Right?
said butternut squash.
Yes, butternut squash.
Cheese has been the biggest thing for me. Like I've been trying to give up dairy, but cheese is just I
Yeah.
just don't know how to give it up.
Actually, you could. There are plant-based options.
Yeah, they are plant-based
Sherman could explain that to you.
Use the vegan cheese, other veggie cheeses, chicken use them, the taste was good.
Yeah, I just tried, is it Daya?
Yeah.
There.
Yeah.
The dairy cheese is
I
one
like
to
the
one.
dairy.
Yeah.
Use that.
As a replacement to dairy cheese, yeah.
Okay.
That's all you do.
And they have dairy in variety of stuff, yeah.
Yeah.
It melts fine, yeah.
My little girl, she likes that to move.
Yeah.
With the dairy cheese,
So I
yeah.
put that in one of the times when she wants that. She likes that way better than regular bits of cheese.
And how do you make your mayo? Do you have like a replacement for sour cream? Because that's another.
Well, we make all those stuff from scratch.
Yeah.
So think about sour cream and what makes it sour in the cream. You can use coconut cream and lime to replace that with apple cider vinegar. Yeah, it's easy. It's just science. A lot of people don't realize it's science. Your brain has been triggered to understand taste on a scientific level, on a chemical level, right? And once you understand that, it's kind of easy to use these things. So all those things that you see here, it's very easy to replace it, and you're not aging anything because it's freshly made from scratch.
Yeah.
Think about cheese, it gotta be aged for you to get that flavor and that taste. You gotta curry, but you don't have to do that with any of these things.
Wow.
You know? So
I had no idea. Like I would go to the food store and I'm just like searching for replacements, and I mean I've tried. I just recently found the
dairy cheese.
I tried like every vegan cheese that they had, and they just taste like plastic.
that's true. That's true.
Yeah, they don't taste green.
Yeah, that is right.
And they don't function like how cheese functions.
No.
They
It don't melt, it don't drip.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't do any of that stuff.
Yeah, so this gives me hope.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, now you can eat healthy. Now you see why everybody tagged you to come here,
I
right?
know, right?
Yeah.
Like, where's this place?
This is place.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
are they eating? Like, what's happening? Why
This
have I
is
never
and
heard
this is
about it?
this is just a base of the idea of what is to come and what is to be. Like it's just yeah, this is just a simple step. Right? A lot of people don't realize it's only a gourmet deli to give you an idea that there are better options to prepare for meal. And I was teasing my colleague yesterday. I was telling him the best way to show a girl you care for her is to bring her a healthy meal. And he was like, he gonna buy her Wendy's. I say, bro.
That would be very.
I say, yo, trust me. I say, you buy this girl one nice jack fruit salad and you explain what it's all about. Listen, she'll change her mind about everything else in the world, bro. I'm telling you, not good, you know. And the funny thing is, she bought it, and I think him and the girl, he was here, right? Maybe brought her here,
Yeah.
and they bought the food, and he called back and he's like, "Babe, this girl going crazy with us because she can't believe that there's no meat at all in all this stuff."
No, they can't believe
You know?
It's really good.
Yeah.
So
That was Johnny's from Who Cooks 242. She came in, she tried the food, she gave her remarks on, I guess it's her first time, so we kind of expected her to be surprised at first. And, it took me by surprise when I first started to eat plant-based foods because I realized that I thought I was addicted to meat. And it's funny enough, most of us are, and we have to find a way to get rid of this addiction. A cleanse is the best process. I recommend a cleanse to my colleague, my associates, everyone here at Essentially Alkaline. And any client comes here with any borderline condition, with diet aspects and diet change regulations, we do advise you to do a cleanse. You can start off with a week cleanse, intermediate fasting. That is always a good idea. We have products here that assist you along the way, but we do advise you to, after consulting with us, just kind of watch your diet. Exactly what you eat and could be the effects of your borderline conditions, and that is the biggest concern that most clients have. Our dark matter product is one of the products that we advise most clients to take during a fast because it helps to cleanse the liver, colon, lymphatic system, the thyroid, epidermis, genital area as well, along with the lungs, removing food that's undigestive, removing toxins, biotoxins, heavy metals, bacteria and germs, so on and so forth. It also helps to slightly deworm the system as well for a lot of persons. So yes, it is safe for your kids. It's safe for anyone to be advised. Most persons that are doing the cleanse, we always, tell them do avoid dairy, do avoid starch, do avoid the meats, because these things could contribute to your health concerns. All right, so I'm going to introduce you to dark matter. Most persons already know what it is. Therapeutic package is 100 capsules. And this will last you about pretty much 6 weeks. Most persons do 3 to 4 capsules per day, and it'd be advised that you consume these before a meal, but sometimes you could take it before or after. Sometimes it doesn't really matter, to be honest with you, because they're herbal products, they are plant-based, they are foods themselves, so there's no side effects, there's no harmful side effects at all. We have in different sizes, as you may see. This is a smaller size. Therapy supply, which is about 3 weeks into a month. You can take about 3 capsules per day as well, followed by spring water. Icelandic waters and good water to have. pH level is very high, which is 8.8, which is very good for alkalinity, for help purifying and removing impurities, also for flushing the system and removing inflammation in the bloodstream. We have different types of alkaline water here, so that's just one option. And we have a week supply, which is a travel pack, or trial pack, as some might say, which is about 12 capsules, and you could do about 2 to 3 capsules as well, and this will last you about 5 to 6 days on average. And this is a good start, along with advising what you should and should not take. We advise you to stop taking solid foods during the cleanse or during the process of the cleanse, which kind of hinders the issue or hinder the process of this working a whole lot better, or hindering your process of doing the cleanse. That's some of the aspects of it, how to kind of start an intermediate fast. And this is just a little brief intervention of what to do when you're about to start alkaline diet, or when you're about to start doing a detox or the process of a detox. Those are the things that you should do. Try to drink a lot more liquids. You could drink herbal teas. We have coffee replacement, which is good options as well. You could do the almond milk or the coconut milk to replace your cream and the dairy, which is a safer process for persons who have like sinus and asthma conditions or acid reflux. This would be the better choice for you to actually take. All right, so that's just a breakdown of what you could do to start your diet and how you can start your diet. The food is the medicine, so you know how that goes. And from here on in, it's my pleasure. I am Julio Hall. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Health Me, and I'll see you guys next time.